Hey, what's up? Abkabar, Salamat Malam, Salamat Gibbs, Salamat Siang, Salamat Tatong. I still am the worst at Bahasa. The worst in the world. This is Indonesian X Factor. You know that because you clicked. I do not know who Kris Tomahu is, but I'm about to find out. I think. Azlan&The Typewriter? I don't know. I don't know. Dig that riff. Whoa. This dude's good. Dude, his voice is perfect. It's rich and vibrant. Oh, and it's like strong, but not overly strong. His phrasing, da da dum, ba da 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 dum, da 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 dum. It's carries you, boom boom boom, da da dum dum dum. Yes, sir. Dude, he's so good. Yes, sir. Look at him. Look at him. Yes. I'm in love. I'm in love. It's so good. It's almost like opera. It's almost. If it was opera, it would be, I wouldn't care for it. It's almost. It reminds me of Journey. You guys know Journey? Don't stop believing. Hold on to that feeling. It's like that, but better, way better. Give it to me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Love it. Okay, I don't understand the Bahasa. So maybe just have a guitar riff. We could shout on a guitar riff, maybe some Maneskin, if I remember. Let's go. That's awesome. consider becoming a member. Support the channel. Why not? Why not? You can do it. Saya Mangerti. Saya Mangerti. Saya tidak tahu. I don't know. How would I know?